Back again with another exciting episode in the RadiusBooking plugin series. Today we are diving into how to customize your booking form in the RadiusBooking plugin so you can create a sleek, user-friendly experience that turns customers into booking effortlessly. You can make the booking form look like it belongs on your website. It lets you customize color schemes and accent colors, button styles and shape, field labels and placeholder text, typography and text styling, layout, and form flow. The biggest and the most unique advantage is live preview, where you can easily see all the customizations and compare them. If you want, you can also upload a custom image for the sidebar illustration. You can choose any appropriate and related image for your service. Let's learn it in a bit more detail. Go to the label text section, and from here, according to the service step, you can show your text on the service selection step. Like heading, you can customize your heading according to your preference. You can also add your service label, location label, staff label, and etc. For the date and time step, similar process are applicable. You can customize your heading, subheading, loading text, and etc. And by following this process, you can also customize your time slot step, details step, payment step, checkout step, and the other given settings option. Then go to the buttons. According to the button labels, you can customize next button, back button, confirm button, and processing text. You can customize that suits your demand. Lastly, feature toggles. For your visibility toggles, you can show or hide these given form elements just by enabling or disabling this option. For example, show note field, show sidebar, sidebar illustration, calendar expert buttons, and allow back navigation. While you're disabling these elements, it will not appear anymore. Here on the screen, you can see the calendar export buttons, and this is allow back navigation option. Now go to the top and copy this short for using this shortcode to display the booking form, and then go to the page to add new page. So provide your desired title here. Go to the below and provide subheading for this. You can also customize its typography like alignment. Then again click on the plus icon, find the columns. For selecting a layout, you can choose it according to your taste. Now for the first column, click on the plus icon, select the image and upload your required service image. For the next column, on the right side of your hand, click on plus icon, find the shortcode, paste the shortcode here. You remember where did we get it? We copied this shortcode from here. Now save it. Let's go to the site. Now from here you can book your appointment just by selecting your required service and choose your staff, set your date and the availability time slot. If you want to show your sidebar illustration, then enable this option. Save it. Now again, let's continue the process of your booking appointment. Here you might already have noticed sidebar illustration is visible. Now provide the customer information like name, phone number, email address, and then click on Go. You can see the summary of your booking appointment as well as the customer details. Here, this is the checkout to make your payment complete. Select the payment method. Your appointment will be confirmed. Thank you for watching.